This is the problem with my OMG RC 13.5 turn motor and D-Run ESC. Alright, so I soldered these together yesterday. I had a bit of a problem with this one. I spent ages doing it and it didn't work, but then it finally worked. So the soldering is a bit messy. This one works fine. I did it using bullet connectors. So I used Dean's as well for the power. The only problem I have is when I turned it on originally, it would work fine, but it wouldn't have a reverse gear, and for some reason it didn't work for the sensor cable in. But I kind of just dismissed that. So I set the value to 2 on the box, which I'll show you in a minute, and then plug the ESC cable back in, and then now the servo works fine, but this doesn't work. This red light stays on and turns off after a while. And I can't set the positions like forwards, backwards, and neutral. It won't allow me, but I can hold this down, then it'll stop. After a while it'll start beeping, but if I click it, it doesn't do anything. So I'll just turn both of these on. So you can see it's red. I get servo response, but no throttle response, and you can see that it just went off. It says I've got connection. I've tried rebinding in quite a few times, so that doesn't work. So what I decided to do is just take this ESC cable out. Then if I plug it into here on this slot, I'm guessing. However, I've realised there's a problem with this one. Look, I only realised this today. Oh, no, it's fine now. So do that. You can see I've set the value to 1.1, because that's what the running mode says there. So that's forward only with brake, like it was when I started it. So I'll do value 2, then reset again, then OK. So I'm guessing that's done it. So what I do now is I turn it off, unplug this, leave it to one side, then I plug it back into the channel 2 slot, where it's supposed to go nice and tight to make sure that it goes in. Then I turn this back on, and you can see I still get no throttle response. Servo still works, but I'll show you what happens when I hold set and that nothing happens. So if I hold set and whoops, I just need to put this down here. If I hold set and turn it on, you can see I still have my red light there. Look, it starts beeping after a while, so you would assume that if you pressed it, so it'll do that if I put it neutral, but then won't do it again. So I'm honestly not sure. If anyone can help me, I'd appreciate it greatly. See you soon.